Hi, my name is Hina Malik and I am Assistant Professor at School of Art, SOA, at Institute for Art and Culture, Lahore. The Department of Fine Arts is offering 4 years bachelor program in various disciplines of art like painting, sculpture and miniature painting, where the students can develop their conventional and traditional techniques of painting, and they're always encouraged and they always have an option to go for photography, video making and installation art, where they can always bring in their knowledge of interdisciplinary and contemporary approaches towards their studio practice. The beauty of our department and our institute is diverse culture. We offer students body from all over Pakistan, and the sort of inclusivity and freedom expression we offer here is something that really leads you to think critically and uniquely.